My name's Robert, and today we're going to be fixing the brake light switch on the 2004 Volkswagen New Beetle. Okay, now that we have the bottom removed, if you come here, you'll see that little green piece there, right above the brake. That's the part we'll be removing today. So what we're going to do is just remove the little clip. Okay, now that the clip is here, you twist counterclockwise and pull it straight out. And the installation is the reverse. Once you put your connector in there, that's it. Your brake light switch is replaced. Hope this tips helps. It'll definitely save you over $100 in labor.